Well, good afternoon. As I drove up to my house this afternoon, I noticed leaves, and lots of them, on the ground, bark splinters, and lo and behold, big lightning hit on the poplar tree in the front yard. This is leaves, shards of poplar bark, strewn all about the front yard. The closer you get to the tree, the bigger they got. And here's the first splinter. You see the sapwood starting to show right there. This splinter goes all the way to the top. Splinter number 1 splits 2 and 3 on this side. Tremendous amount of voltage hit this thing. I'm glad I wasn't at home. It goes all the way to the top of the tree. Here's the other side. Sapwood instantly turned to steam and blown out the side of the tree. There's a bed of tulips and glads here in a flower bed at the base of the tree. It even jerked those out of the ground and left them on the driveway. My Jeep was under this tree, and it apparently suffered no ill effects except some pieces of bark and leaves that got blown off this tree. But this is it's just absolutely amazing. I saw lots of trees get hit like this, but nothing like this all the way to the ground. Even out here on the street, pieces of bark that got splintered off this thing. Even in the neighbor's yard, pieces that got blown all the way out to the side here. Just amazing. A better view of the tree. Beware of lightning. Nature's deadly killer.